Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS9520a series printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS9520a support. One of the best results should say Canon support for PIXMA TS9520a. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to just scroll down on this page underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. And then if you go down further, there should be an item that says print driver and scan utility installer. Select download. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open up that file. Select yes, should be a verified publisher. And then allow this to begin. Then select next, select your country, and then accept the end user license terms. And then select your preferred connection type, and then you would select next to proceed, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.